Yo, what is up everybody? It's your boy Josh here and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. I'm really excited to get right into this. Today we're starting with an awesome game called Damnosaur. This game's super fun. On this channel I'm mostly just going to be playing free cheesy games off Steam. So without further ado, let's get right into this thing. Here we go. Alright, move left to right. Aim gun, there we go. Shoot for a second. There we go. And open the weapon wheel. Oh, and they come. Okay, let's go. All right. Look at this dude. Boom, you dead. Ooh. Now I think if he hits you once, you're dead. So, off to a great start. Okay, let's just keep going with this thing. All right, let's go. All right, we cooking now. We cooking. That was a warm-up game. All right, here we go. We need a better weapon. Boom. That weapon's way better. All right, let's go. What the heck? All right, I hate these bird dudes, man. They overwhelm me. All right, let's go, baby. Let's go. We just getting started out here. Breaking records. I promise. Man, I hate these dudes. Oh no! I jumped right into him. Alright, man. I promise you guys I'm gonna get a good win here. I'm gonna go far. I promise. Just give me some time. Oh, man. That was embarrassing. Ooh, ×2. See, that time we jumped over him. So, boom. You gotta kill those guys quick, man, or they're gonna get to you. They're gonna just get to you. Also, I think a lot of, if you're gonna do well in this game, it's about getting good loot early, getting the machine guns and stuff, and just collecting the ammo for when it gets pretty heavy. Like, there's a lot of enemies, you're gonna need all the weapons you can get. Oh, what is this gun? I have never used this gun before. Let's test it out. What is this, a machine gun? Oh, shit! That's a lot of fun. Oh, God! I was not even paying attention, bro. I told you I hate those dudes. Look at him. He's going right through me. Also, look at my furry friend there. I don't know. He's trying to practice how to swim. I don't know what's he doing there. All right. We're gonna keep going. See, the key is to play defensively. If I get up in the grill, I gotta kind of stay back. I love these green guys. They're easy money, and I gotta keep moving too. I think my problem is I kind of start stand still, and these dudes gonna run up on me. See if we can kill those guys real quick. I love that little laser gun though. I kind of want it back. ×2. Okay, this is a shotty. Yep, shotty. There we go. Man, this shotty rips through people, bro. I hate them bird dudes. Ah! Alright, here we go. Get a little spicy up in here. Not too bad yet. Oh my god. Alright. Oh my god, bro. Oh, is that a ray gun? What's that gun? What's that gun right there? I'm just gonna waste one bullet. Oh, I didn't use it. Boom. Oh, well. Not exactly a ray gun, but helpful though. Fuck. Oh, there's our laser beam gun. Alright, let's see if we can clear some of these dudes out. Man, this game is stressful, bro. I'm telling you. Ooh, let's go. Alright. Okay, we ripping with this pistol right now. The default weapon. We going. So I think the higher your score is, the tougher it's going to get, which I guess that's kind of obvious, isn't it? So we're getting up there. I don't think you guys can see it because where my face is where the score's at. Oh my god, bro. Okay, I gotta stop using the pistol so much, man. I gotta make sure I use the weapons I'm picking up off the floor. Let's go. It's nice and easy right here, man. Nice and easy. Slow start, boom. We got a weapon. We got more ammo over here. Now we got a shotgun. All those days I played Call of Duty in middle school, where it comes in clutch right here. Damnosaur. If it wasn't grinding MW2 in middle school, man, I wouldn't be this great. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm pretty bad actually. All right, let's. We're getting a little spicy up in the air. I don't know what that gun is. Man, I hate you. Stop running at me, bro. Jeez. Okay, we're getting some weapons now. I'm telling you, man, this game gets really hard though. I mean, I haven't made it far, but like at the end, like, or as you keep going, like tougher enemies come out. Like this game gets insane, I promise you. So we gotta make sure we're taking out these dudes that charge a lot. Take them out first, and then kind of focus on the other dudes. Also, the birds are kind of distracting too, so gotta watch out for them. Yeah, them guys right there. The shotgun is great for the T-Rexes because like they take up a lot more room. Okay. Woo! Oh my God, bro! All right, let's see, I told you guys, I wasn't. Oh, one shot with that, he goes away. Okay, let's get spicy. Oh no, bro. Oh, that was such a good run, and we died. Look at that dinosaur though, with the little birthday hat and everything. All right, man. All right, we're gonna keep going, man. I want to make it far in this game. I feel like I can do it. Top of the screen is his life finds a way. That's funny, man. That's funny. Life finds a way. This girl is serious about these dinosaurs, though, man. She does not like dinosaurs. I think she's the reason they went extinct, bro. It wasn't the Ice Age, man. It was this lady right here and her furry friend. I don't know what they call that dude. What's a good name for him? Tell me in the comments. Anyways, tell me in the comments, like, what's a good name for my furry friend here on the top of my head. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Not today, Satan. Not today. Let's go. Ooh, ×2. I wish it was ×2 damage, but that's alright. Oh, look at them shots, man. I killed that bird real quick. Oh, I want that pistol. I want that assault rifle. Man, these birds, man, they after me. Get away from me, man. ×2. Okay. It's coming up on me. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, that's how I gotta play right there. Let me come at me. Here we go. We cooking. Making dinner tonight, Mom, I promise. Spaghetti and meatballs. Here we go. Gotta take out that news real quick, man. I'm telling you. And if you start running at you, it's game over, bro. I promise. Uh-oh, big dinosaur on the way. Oh God, I don't have any good. Oh God, okay. Okay. That was not as hard as I thought it would be. I thought I had to like have a super powerful weapon like that thing. Okay, we're cooking though. We're doing good. Or we're doing well. I should be grammatically correct. Oh, we got another dude. Watch this. Boom. Oh no! We wasted it. Oh, this guy got heavy defense. Uh-oh. No, bro. That was the game. We were supposed to be legendary. Alright, I'll keep going, man. I'm gonna keep going. I'm feeling hype right now. We gotta do it for the fans out here, bro. Stop. Oh my. Ah! Ah! Alright. Super serious time right here, man. Man, my girl can jump, though. Look at that. Man, she can beat the NBA with them hops. Right over LeBron. Alright, we're going now. We're going. Come on, man. And I gotta find some better weapons. So those guys that charge up, if we just jump over them, they won't come back. But it's kind of hard to do that, like, when there's a lot of dinosaurs out there. We got a ray gun. Got a heavy pistol there. I swear to God, I hear. Let's go, let's go, let's go. See you next year, bro. Alright, here we go. My pistol's like pretty good. Alright. Oh man, we need some more ammo. Ooh, that was a bad shot. Bad shots, bad shots. I want that laser gun again, man. That gun was fun to use, bro. See you. See you. Alright, we getting far now, man. We getting far. Gotta space the floor. Gotta space the floor, man. That's what I'm saying. Gotta keep the distance. Seems like a great situation for this gun right here. Oh, it's getting hot. It's getting hot in here. It's getting hot. Gotta keep going. We gotta keep going, man. Ooh, this is not good. Not a good situation we're in right here. Okay, we got a big dude coming up. Oh, we got a bird. Oh, man, he was easy. Where's he been at this whole time, man? Those are easy kills. Oh. We got a big bird. Big dinosaur. Take him out real quick. Okay. Oh, we cooking. We're cooking out here, ma. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This might be the end right here, man. This might be the end. Oh, we got him! We got him, man! Oh, there's another one! Uh-oh. 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 Oh, no, oh, no, oh, no, oh, no, oh, no! Oh, shit. Oh, shit! Oh man, he just keeps coming. Ah! Gotta shoot his feet. Gotta shoot his feet. Oh, we got him. We got him. We got him. Oh my God, there's so many. Oh my goodness, bro. This is so freaking intense right now. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, we got a giant lizard dude. Look at him. Oh no! Ah! Ah! No! Oh, bro. Whoa! Oh my God. Okay, 88,000 score on that one. All right, I'm gonna type in my name for that one. Here we go. Here we go. Jeez. Boom. Ooh. Okay, that was a great game right there, man. And we're gonna probably end it right there. Thank you so much for watching. This is the first of many. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.